We had a cooking lesson in Naxos, a break from our Tower Mina sightseeing trip. The cooking lesson was supervised by a Sicilian lady. So, eto yung view ng kanyang kitchen. Yung kitchen, and tinuruan niya kami kung paano mag-prepare. Ayan, very eager naman kaming matuto. Pero ako sobrang pagod na lang talaga sa kakalibot namin. So, nanunood-nood lang ako. Nag-cook lang ako nung almond. Ayan, si Dr. Aison ang nag-mix. Ito naman si Dr. James. Nagka-cut sila, tinuruan sila mag-cut. Ako naman, Yaya Bells ang dating. Papahinga lang, admiring the view.
Hoy, Jo, hindi pa tapos yung trabaho mo. Pumasok ka dito.
Nakakakawa talaga kasi yung
High tide na.
parang gandang tignan na parang may mist.
Yan. Ayan, habang niluluto namin. Eventually, ito yung kakainin namin. So, meron kaming caponata, swordfish with fennel and olives. Meron din kaming pasta with clams. And finally, yung almond with pistachio. Tinanong namin yung balsamic, eto daw, glass balsamic. In the end, masarap. Follow for more.